Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Misra. This video tutorial is on descriptive questions and answers on Managerial Economics KMBN 102, a paper taught in MBA semester 1st of AKTU. This is part 3rd. यहाँ पर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 से क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 तक डिस्कस करेंगे। जैसा कि हमने कहा पहले वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में दैट हमने जो क्वेश्चंस लिए हैं टॉपिक वाइज लिए हैं। कुछ क्वेश्चंस आपको बड़े लग सकते हैं लेकिन उसमें और क्वेश्चंस निकल सकते हैं क्योंकि ये टॉपिक वाइज हैं। तो कोशिश हमने किया है कि पूरे एक टॉपिक को एक क्वेश्चन के रूप में यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया जाए। नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन, क्लासीफाई डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर। जैसे ही ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए एग्जाम में या आपके दिमाग में आता है तो यहाँ पर हम बेसिकली मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर हम कंपटीशन के बेस पर मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर के टाइप की बात करते हैं। जैसे ही मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर या टाइप ऑफ मार्केट बेस्ड ऑन कंपटीशन ऐसे टर्म्स आते हैं तो एटलीस्ट हमें 5 शब्दों का दिमाग में ध्यान आना चाहिए। परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, मोनोपोली, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन, ओलिगोपोली एंड डुओपोली। यही हमारे मार्केट के स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं और इसी को हमें समझना है। मार्केट स्ट्रक्चर इज द बेस्ट डिफाइंड एज द ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एंड अदर कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अ मार्केट। नाउ टॉक अबाउट फर्स्ट परफेक्ट कंपटीशन। इनफैक्ट परफेक्ट कंपटीशन के बारे में थोड़ा डिस्कशन पहले भी पिछले वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में आ चुका है। हियर इन परफेक्ट कंपटीशन ऑल फर्म्स sell an identical product. All firms are price takers. You should keep this in mind. All firms have a relatively small market share. Buyers know the nature of the product being sold and the prices charged by each firm. That means there is perfect knowledge in the market. The industry is characterized by freedom of entry and exit, means there is no restriction. There is no barrier as such. It is also referred as pure competition. Say for example, potatoes. Potatoes are sold in markets where all vendors sell homogeneous product at homogeneous prices. Potato is sold at markets etc. where all vendors sell homogeneous products. Now, monopoly. A monopoly is a market structure in which there is only one producer or seller for a product. In other words, the single business is the industry. Entry into such a market is restricted due to high costs or other impediments which may be economic, social or political. मतलब अगर मार्केट में केवल एक सेलर है तो उसको हम मोनोपोली मार्केट बोलते हैं। वहाँ पर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती हैं, वो रिस्ट्रिक्शंस इकोनॉमिक, सोशल और पॉलिटिकल या किसी भी रूप में हो सकते हैं। नॉर्मली वो हाई कॉस्ट्स इन्वॉल्व होती हैं ऐसी मार्केट में, इसलिए रिस्ट्रिक्शंस लगते हैं। से फॉर एग्जांपल Gillette razor blade. Gillette is a razor blade that enjoys monopoly in market because every consumer purchases this brand and this is a trusted brand. Gillette Mesh 3 Turbo Sensitive and Gillette Fusion are latest version. Now, monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition is a type of imperfect competition so that one or two producers sell products that are differentiated from one another as goods but not perfect substitutes, such as from branding, quality or location. In monopolistic competition, a firm takes the prices charged by its rivals as given and ignores the impact of its own prices on the prices of other firms. Consumers may like some special thing in the particular brand. Examples say shoes. Shoes are produced by many producers, but consumers may feel that a particular company is branded or the quality produced by one company is better than the other. Different companies' shoes can be easily differentiated, and despite differentiation, each product remains close substitute for the rival product. Now, duopoly, a situation in which two companies own all or nearly all of the market for a given product or service. It is a specific type of oligopoly where only two producers exist in one market. In reality, this definition is generally used where only two firms have dominant control over a market. In the field of industrial organization, it is the most commonly studied form of oligopoly due to its simplicity. Examples: Pepsi and Coca-Cola. In soft drinks sector, in the market, Pepsi and Coca-Cola rule in soft drinks, so they come under duopoly. Other soft drinks are also there are, but these two companies cover large share in soft drinks market. Oligopoly. It is a situation in which a particular market is controlled by a small group of firms. An oligopoly is a market form in which a market or industry is dominated by a small number of sellers, normally known as oligopolists. Because there are a few sellers, each oligopolist is likely to be aware of the actions of the others. The decisions of one firm influence, in fact, and are influenced by the decisions of other firms, like Maggi noodles, Sunfeast, Yippee, Magic noodles, Horlicks Foodles, North Soupy noodles. These companies produce instant noodles. Early Maggi used to enjoy monopoly in this particular sector, but the entry of the other three companies, Maggi now comes in oligopoly. These four companies majorly rule the market in instant noodles, so they come in oligopoly. We can, with this this chart, we can understand the structure of the market. Those terms which I used earlier, हम कह सकते हैं perfect competition and imperfect competition. Perfect competition is just one, perfect or pure, but in imperfect competition where there are four: monopoly, monopolistic, oligopoly or duopoly. Now इस पर्टिकुलर टेबुलर चार्ट से भी हम जितना अभी तक हमने डिस्कस किया उसको भी समझ सकते हैं इन पैरामीटर्स पर: नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स, नेचर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट, एंट्री ऑफ फर्म्स, डिग्री ऑफ मोनोपोली पावर, प्राइस पॉलिसी ऑफ फर्म, मार्केट नॉलेज, इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड, एवरेज रेवेन्यू और मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू, सेलिंग कॉस्ट. लाइक इन परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिशन, अ कंपैरेटिव चार्ट इज गिवन हियर, जहां पर कि हम समझ सकते हैं. जैसे अगर हम नंबर ऑफ फर्म्स की बात करें, so perfect competition there are large number of firms. Monopoly, only one seller. Monopolistic competition, varied but not too many, means not so large as in case of perfectly competitive market. Oligopoly, a few. As far as nature of product is concerned, in perfect competition the product is normally homogeneous. Monopoly, one type. Monopolistic, product differentiated है, and oligopoly, it could be homogeneous or differentiated. Entry of firms, perfect competition में it is free, monopoly no entry, monopolistic free, and oligopoly में restricted है. Degree of monopoly power, perfect competition 0, monopoly full, monopolistic limited, and oligopoly limited due to product differentiation. Price of firms, price policy of the firm. So here in perfect competition, competitive market, it is a price taker. Monopoly, it is price maker. Monopolistic, price maker. And oligopoly, again it is price maker. Market knowledge, there is complete or perfect knowledge in perfect competition. Monopoly, incomplete, and in others incomplete. Elasticity of demand, perfectly elastic in case of perfectly competitive market, but in others it is less elastic. Average and marginal revenue, in perfect competition it is equal, means average revenue is equal to marginal revenue is equal to price of the product, but this does not happen in cases of monopoly, monopolistic or oligopoly or even duopoly. Selling cost, normally it is highly competitive, so no. Monopoly is small, monopolistic competition very large, and oligopoly small. Now question number 11, define monopoly. What is the basic difference between monopoly and monopolistic competition? In fact ये क्वेश्चन पार्शियली पिछले क्वेश्चन में एड्रेस किया जा चुका है. चूंकि ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है इसलिए यहाँ पर हम इसको समझ सकते हैं in little bit detail. Like what is monopoly? So when there is only one seller in the market, such a condition is denoted by the monopoly. Monopolist has full control over the market. He can sell his commodity at any price he likes. He has the control over price. However, a monopolist can certainly fix the price at which he sells his commodity, but he cannot at the same time determine the amount of commodity that purchasers will buy. In fact, if he charges a high price, the demand for his commodity will be less. And if he charges a low price, the demand for his commodity will be more. The price is under the full control of the monopolist, but not the demand. Demand is determined by purchasers only. For example, railways, Intel chip, etc. The difference between monopoly and monopolistic competition can be understood from their characteristics given below. Characteristics of monopoly market: there is no freedom for other firms to enter in the industry. It has only one seller. The product sold by the monopolist has no close substitute. It may be number of buyers. There are abnormal profits in the long run. But in monopolistic competition may be defined as the form of the market structure in which there is a large number of firms producing differentiated products which are close substitutes of each other. Characteristics of monopolistic market: product differentiation. There are large number of firms but not as large as in case of perfectly competitive market. Freedom of entry and exit, yes, definitely there existed. Some influence over the price. Product variation, heavy expenditure on advertisement and other selling costs. Now, question number 12. Describe different factors determining the size of the firm. This is very important and ये क्वेश्चन जरूर पूछा जा सकता है. Normally there are 5 to 6 factors which really determine the size of any particular market. One is entrepreneurial skill. The most important factor is, of course, the skill, initiative, and resourcefulness of the entrepreneur. Everything depends on his judgment and ability. An entrepreneur of outstanding requisite labor force and build up a huge business. But an entrepreneur of moderate ability will run business on a moderate scale, and a man of limited entrepreneurial skill will be content with a small business only. Managerial ability. For running the routine part of the business, managers are appointed. If a firm is lucky enough to have a manager of exceptional ability, the size of the firm will grow to considerable dimensions. On the other hand, a mediocre manager will have a small sized firm to manage. Third, availability of finance. It is finance which lubricates the wheels of the business machine. If ample funds are available, it will help the entrepreneur to make his business grow to a big size. This requires the proper development of the banking system so that saving of the community can be effectively mobilized and utilized in the development of trade and industry. Now, availability of labor. This is another important factor which determines the size of a particular market. Availability, the firms, availability of labor of requisite skill. After all, what can the entrepreneur, even with a large capital, do if the labor is not available? What is required is efficient and skilled labor. Nature of business. Much also depends upon the nature of business. If the business obeys the law of increasing returns, it will remain stunted, and in the case of constant returns, it will remain stagnant. Extent of the market. The size of the firm also depends on the extent of the market. If the commodity in which the firm deals or which it manufactures has a wide market, naturally the business will assume a large scale. But if the demand for the commodity is limited, the size of the firm will continue to be small. Optimum firm. As output increases within a given plant, production becomes more and more economical. This is due to the economies of scale. After a stage, however, a point of minimum cost is reached and it becomes uneconomical to expand the business any further. At this point, the average cost of production is the lowest. This is regarded as optimum level of production for the firm concerned. It is thus the ideal size of the firm with minimum cost per unit. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. हमने अपने तरीके से समझाने की कोशिश की. I hope that each question you have understood it clearly. एंड आप अपने आप से अगर ये क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं तो इनके आंसर आप अच्छी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक दिस माय वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल, please do not forget to subscribe and forward it to many those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.